What's the meaning of chumminess? Chumminess. Chumminess.
Chumminess. Chumminess. Chumminess refers to a close and friendly relationship between individuals, often involving a sense of camaraderie or mutual trust. It generally implies a relaxed and informal rapport that is characterized by shared experiences or interests. When people exhibit chumminess towards one another, they are often more inclined to be open and vulnerable with each other, which can lead to greater levels of intimacy and affection. However, excessive chumminess can also sometimes blur professional boundaries and compromise objectivity, particularly in certain contexts such as the workplace or politics.